Nigeria, Africa's largest economy, is the home to some of the continent's most successful and wealthy individuals. From the business tycoon to oil magnate, these self-made billionaires built empires that span the industries and continents. Meet the richest men in Nigeria who have leveraged innovation, hard work, and strategic investment to amass staggering fortunes and cement their status as leaders in African businesses. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. At 20, we have Pascal Doze. Pascal Doze is a highly respected Nigerian businessman, best known for his role in the banking sector. He was a key founder of the Diamond Bank, one of Nigeria's top commercial banks, which was later acquired by Access Bank. His wealth has also come from a variety of investment in sectors like technology, telecommunications, and real estate. He is known for his strategic investment and his contributions to Nigeria's financial services industry. He has a net worth of $392 million US. Number 19, we have Mohammed Indimi. Mohammed Indimi is a well-known Nigerian oil magnate with a vast business empire in the oil and gas industry. He's also the founder of the Oriental Energy Resources, a company that has made significant strides in Nigeria's oil sector. Indimi's wealth has been fueled by his oil exploration and production activities in the Niger Delta, as well as his investment in real estate, banking, and agriculture. He has a net worth of $480 million US. Number 18, we have Oba Otedola. Oba Otedola is a Nigerian businessman and a traditional ruler whose wealth comes from various industries, including banking, oil, real estate, and manufacturing. He is the chairman of the Honeywell Group, which has interest in food processing, oil, real estate, as well as First Bank of Nigeria. His diverse portfolio of investment has cemented his place among Nigeria's wealthiest men with a whopping net worth of $550 million US. Number 17, we have Theophilus Danjuma. Theophilus Danjuma is a prominent Nigerian businessman, a former military officer, and a philanthropist. He is also known for his successful ventures in the oil and gas sector, particularly through his investment and involvement with the South Atlantic Petroleum, which is also called the Sapetro. Danjuma has made his fortune by leveraging his military connections and his expertise in the energy sector, in addition to his investment in real estate and other industries. He has a net worth of $750 million US. Number 16, we have Alafa Kariboye Igbo, also known as Oil Money. Alafa Kariboye Igbo, who is famously known as Oil Money, has made his fortune primarily through oil and gas industry. His wealth comes from his ventures in crude oil, exploration, trade, making him one of Nigeria's rising stars in the energy sector. Kariboye Igbo's growing empire has helped him carve out a significant position in Nigeria's economy. He has a net worth of $1 billion US. Number 15, we have Segun Agbaje. Segun Agbaje is the managing director of the Guaranty Trust Bank, also known as GT Bank, and is one of the largest and most successful financial institutions in Nigeria. Under his leadership, GT Bank has seen significant growth, and Agbaje has capitalized on his successes to build his fortune. Apart from banking, Agbaje is also involved in real estate and other investments, solidifying his position as one of Nigeria's wealthiest individuals, and he has a net worth of $1.1 billion US. Number 14, we have ABC Ojiako. ABC Ojiako is a Nigerian businessman and the chairman of the Saplet Petroleum, a company which is involved in the oil exploration and production. He has made his fortune through navigating Nigeria's competitive oil and gas sector, which remains one of his key drivers of wealth in the country. In addition to this, Ojiako has also investment in real estate, agriculture, and various other sectors. He has a net worth of $1.2 billion US. Number 13, we have Leo Stan Eke. Leo Stan Eke is a Nigerian tech entrepreneur and the founder of the Xenox Technologies, Nigeria's first internationally certified computer manufacturer. His company has become one of the leaders of the Nigerian tech space, and Eke has played a pivotal role in the development of the country's IT industry. His wealth also comes from other technology ventures as well as investment in e-commerce and digital services. He has a net worth of 1.2 billion US dollars. Number 12, we have Tunde Falowayo. Tunde Falowayo is a Nigerian businessman with a diverse portfolio of investments. He is the CEO of the Yinka Falowayo Group, a conglomerate with interest in oil, gas, shipping, and real estate. His wealth stems from a strategic investment in the energy sector, particularly oil, and his company's involvement in Nigeria's largest maritime operation. He has a net worth of 2.1 billion US dollars. Number 11, we have Benedict Peter. Benedict Peter is a Nigerian oil magnate and the founder of the Ateo Group, which is one of Nigeria's largest indigenous oil company. Peters has amassed considerable wealth through oil exploration and production in Niger Delta, making Ateo a major player in the Nigerian oil industry. His holdings also include investment in other sectors like energy, real estate, and manufacturing. He has a net worth of 2.7 billion US dollars. Number 10, we have Emeka Ofo. Emeka Ofo is a Nigerian businessman whose fortune stems from his diverse interest in oil and gas, as well as his role in the oil mining lease. He is also the founder of the Chrome Group, which is an industrial conglomerate with investments in sectors such as telecommunication, oil, and gas. Ofo's ability to navigate Nigeria's business and energy sectors has placed him among the country's wealthiest individuals, and he has a net worth of 2.9 billion US dollars. Number 9, we have Orji Ozokalu. Orji Ozokalu is a Nigerian businessman and a politician who is the founder of the Slok Group, which has a diverse interest in shipping, oil, media, and manufacturing. Kalu's wealth is as a result of the widespread influence across multiple industries, as well as his successful career as a former governor of Abia State. His business interest has made him a key figure in Nigeria's political and economic landscape. He has a net worth of 3.2 billion US dollars. Number 8, we have Jim Ovia. Jim Ovia is one of Nigeria's most influential business figures, best known for founding Zenith Bank, which has grown to become one of Africa's largest financial institutions. His fortune is derived primarily from banking and financial services. Although Ovia also invested in real estate, telecommunications, and technology, his vision has propelled Zenith Bank to prominence, making him one of Nigeria's wealthiest individuals. He has a net worth of 3.6 billion US dollars. Number 7, we have Cletus Ibeto. Cletus Ibeto is a Nigerian businessman and the founder of the Ibeto Group, which is a conglomerate with interest in cement, real estate, and manufacturing. His wealth stems from large sources, including the Ibeto Cement Company, which has become one of Nigeria's prominent producers of cement. He also has expanded into industries like energy, agriculture, and infrastructure, making him a key figure in Nigeria's business world. He has a net worth of 3.8 billion US dollars. Number 6, we have Tony Elumelu. Tony Elumelu is an influential Nigerian businessman, an economist, and a philanthropist. He is best known for founding the Heirs Holdings, a conglomerate that focuses on investment across sectors such as banking, energy, and healthcare. Elumelu also chairs the Transcorp Group, a major player in Nigeria's energy, hospitality, and power sector. His wealth is attributed to the vast business empire, along with his efforts to empower entrepreneurs across Africa through his Elumelu Foundation. He has a net worth of 5.9 billion US dollars. Number 5, we have Arthur Eze. Arthur Eze is a Nigerian businessman and a philanthropist with a significant interest in oil and gas industry. He is the chairman of the Atlas Oranto Petroleum, which has exploration across multiple African countries. Eze's wealth comes from his investment in real estate, agriculture, and other industries, and his business acumen has made him one of Nigeria's wealthiest individuals with a net worth of 4.6 billion US dollars. Number 4, we have Femi Otedola. Femi Otedola is one of Nigeria's most prominent individual and philanthropist with wealth stemming from his extensive investment in oil, energy, and estate. He is the founder of the Xenon Petroleum and the gas and has diversified his investment into other sectors such as financial services and manufacturing. Otedola's leadership in Nigeria's energy industry, along with his notable philanthropic work, has made him a significant figure in both the business and charity. He has a net worth of 6.3 billion US dollars. Number 3, we have Mike Adenuga. Mike Adenuga is a Nigerian business tycoon whose wealth is rooted in his telecommunication company, which is also known as Globacom, or Glo for short, which has revolutionized the mobile communication across Nigeria. Adenuga is also heavily invested in the oil and gas sector through his company Con Oil and his other business ventures, which include real estate and banking. His diverse portfolio of companies has helped him to secure a place among Nigeria's wealthiest individuals with a net worth of 7.1 billion US dollars. Number 2, we have Abdul Samad Rabayo. Abdul Samad Rabayo is Nigerian's businessman and the founder of the BUA Group, which is a conglomerate with a major focus on cement production, sugar, refining, and real estate development. Rabayo has built a diversified empire that has earned him a significant wealth. His company's major assets include the BUA Cement, which is one of Nigeria's largest cement producer, and the BUA Sugar Refinery, which serves the growing demand for sugar in Nigeria. He has a net worth of 8.1 billion US dollars. Number 1, nobody else than Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote is the wealthiest man in Nigeria and one of Africa's richest men. His fortune comes from his vast holdings in the Dangote Group, which is a conglomerate with interest in cement, sugar, salt, and other commodities. Dangote Cement is Africa's largest cement manufacturer, and his wealth has grown as his company has expanded across the continent. With a relentless focus on industrial development, Dangote has become a powerful force in Nigeria's economy, not just in cement production, but also in food and agriculture. Despite all these things, Dangote doesn't fail to avail himself in terms of philanthropy, as he has made several donations to the economy of Nigeria, and hence is a very key figure in Nigeria as a whole. He has a whopping net worth of 15.6 billion US dollars, and he has been the richest person in Nigeria for as long as I can remember. Well, that is the end of this video and the list. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more informative and financial videos.